Hiking in Jackson, Louisiana, Thompson Creek. On your marks, get set, go.
You want to see something?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
You want to race me?
Yeah.
You gotta wait. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm sick. You ready?
Yeah.
Set, go. You gonna, I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. Alright, we gonna walk.
Hey y'all.
Alright, go ahead and swim, mommy. She's swimming.
It's per minute.
It's my watch. We finally reached 1 mile. It only took 32 minutes. Alright. You wanna hold my hand or you got it? Oh! I'm down to my knees. Brooklyn, I love you. Video is just meant to show you guys that we all could get outside and we all can stay active. And it's for the kids. Get the kids off them screens. Take them outside. Stay outdoors, stay active. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace. Say peace, Mom. Let's see. Look at that. It's almost 2 hours even. 3.28 miles. We made it back. So they did good. We got our post-hike interview. Let me see your muscle.
My legs hurt.
3, 2, 1.